this is me, Somer Jain, in front of you, and today I am came here to taking an interview. A doctor, he is a very good doctor, and he is a physiotherapist, and it's a very amazing doctor. So, hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, Soumya.
Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, I'm taking an interview, and I am very glad, and thank you so much. You gave your time, and you gave me opportunity to taking your interview, and I am very glad. So, sir, how are you?
Fine, Soumya. I'll starting asking questions about my field. So, your concern will clear.
So, sir, are you a doctor? So, sir, how and when the thought was coming in your mind, you become a doctor?
Uh, it's a very big story, long story. Because my father is a doctor, so I wanted to become a doctor since 20 to 25 years back. Uh, I gave exams of PMT for MBBS. That was not cleared by me. So that time I took admission in this physiotherapy field. I done physiotherapy in 2004. I'm practicing here from 2004, and I'm satisfied in this field. Uh,
Okay, it's great, sir. You are satisfied with this field,
Definitely, I'm
and it
very
is very
satisfied.
important thing.
Uh,
So, sir, where did you complete your doctorate degree?
uh, Bhopal in 2004.
Bhopal in 2004. That's very great, sir. So, which is the thing that is motivates you to become a doctor?
Not a very specific reason. My father is a doctor. When he sees the patients and is very satisfied from his field, so I that time I came to clinic daily, and uh, uh, my father was very satisfied with his work. So it gives inspiration for me to become a doctor. That's why I am here in front of you.
Okay. So, why did you stuck at the field of physiotherapy?
Not a very specific reason. I actually at that time I want wanted to do MBBS, but I did not clear the PMP that time. So I took admission in this physiotherapy field. This is also a very good field. So you can say I'm satisfied in this field.
So, sir, how was your education and training experience?
It was good. Actually, I studied in Bhopal, then BPT, that is called Bachelor Degree in Physiotherapy in 2004. Then start doing internship in Hinduja Hospital, 2005, 6 months rotatory internship in Bombay. After that, uh, I completed my master's degree from Bhopal in 2007.
It's very amazing. So, sir, how was the experience you have in this field?
Very good experience, very good experience. Actually, it is a very different field from MBBS, BDS, GHMS, BMS. In that field, you are sitting in chamber and writing a medicine for the patient. In a lot of difference between an MBBS doctor or BHMS or BDS and BPT. In this field, patient will not allowed to sit on a seat. I have to attend each and every patient with devotion is very important. Suppose a single patient, I'm giving an example. Suppose a single patient, some XYZ patient is coming to me, he is having low back pain. So in my field, I'm not going to write a medicine for that patient. You take this medicine morning, take this evening, and take bed rest. No. In physiotherapy field, you have to attend the patient in physical manner. You have to correct the posture of the patient. You have to correct the muscle imbalance of the patient. So this makes the vast difference between MBBS and BPT.
Yes, it's
This
very
is a major difference. This is a major difference.
yes.
Because we are physical physiotherapist means physical therapist. We have to treat the patient physically.
Nice. So, sir, any special moment and patient in your career that was memorable to teach?
Daily. When patients becomes
Scale.
all right, patients tell me, sir, I'm okay. Thank you. Without medicine, you make me all right. That is a very big pleasure for me.
Yes,
Uh,
it is very good,
uh,
sir. So, sir, how important is patient cooperation in a successful physiotherapy treatment?
100%. If patient is not cooperating to our field, result will not come.
Okay, just 100%.
Suppose a patient is coming up in frozen shoulder. In frozen shoulder, the movement is restricted in that case. So in that case, if you are going to start this movement for the patient, if patient is not cooperating us, then range will not open and pain will not subside. So patient cooperation is very mandatory in our field.
So, sir, so many patients are coming and they not cooperate because they a lot of pain. So, how do you convince him?
It will take time then.
It will take
If
time.
the patient gives cooperates or patient cooperates us, then patient will recover in a short period of time. If patient does not cooperate, it will take time, a month or two, or maybe patient will not become all right. He will go somewhere else.
Okay, sir. So, sir, do you think people now becoming more aware about physiotherapy?
No, nowadays gradually people are aware about the surgery gradually. There are seeing really seeing in this practice. Uh, initially, patient was not aware about physiotherapy. They don't know. Now, patients start aware with the help of social media, with the help of these types of interviews. There are a lot of things. We are cooperating. We are doing well.
Sir, how they know and how they aware about physiotherapy?
Nowadays, there are so many platforms for awareness of the physiotherapy. Suppose my patient is all right with the help of physiotherapy.
Yes.
Uh, in this city, patient goes if some patient goes to somewhere else, some in party or to get together with some friends. They are if they are asking how's your shoulder. I first I gone to some orthopedic surgeon, some I got to MBS doctor. They give us medicine, but medicine gives not relief completely relief for my shoulder. Then I start to take physiotherapy. Then I took physiotherapy for 15 days or 20 days. Now I become alright. So my faith is now in non physiotherapy. That this is a more complexity you can say in simple words.
Okay, sorry. So, according to you, what challenges regarding for our physiotherapy in India?
Challenges only is this each and every physiotherapist uh, must attend each and every patient with devotion. If patients start faith, uh, so this gives us a very boost up for this field. This is suppose daily I am seeing at least 20 patients. If 18 patients or 15 patients or 12 patients gets released from this field, so this starts giving a very good atmosphere around the social community. So it's not challenging, but challenge is this कि mostly people if Gwalior the population of Gwalior means around 10 lakh. So
Yes.
according to me, 50% now are aware of physiotherapy. Rest 50% gradually. Uh, I personally, uh, feel if you just concentrate on the each and every patient for his recovery, that is okay. Challenge patient. This simple task you have to do. बस रेस्ट तो अपने आप हो जाता है. हम्म, हाँ.
Sir, according to you, are there some exercises in daily life you feel should be do?
Depend on case. If patient is having cervical problem, they have to do cervical exercise. If they are having low backache, for low backache exercise.
Is there any common exercise for all of the people, every of the people should be do?
If somebody is having do not having any pain, you want to do only exercise going for fitness, then he can do he or she can do yoga.
Yoga, it is yoga is a very
Yoga. Because we are giving the treatment for a specific specific treatment. If somebody is having a problem with shoulder, then I will teach the exercises only for shoulder. If somebody is coming from knee problem, then I'm going to teach the problem. Going to teach the exercise for the knee only.
So my last question to you in this interview, what advice would you like to give who those who want to make a career in physiotherapy field?
As you said, there are a lot of challenges. The challenges is only this. There are a lot of competition in this field. It is very easy to get the admission in this field. If you have the percent, if your 12% is only 50 in PCB, you can take admission in any private college and do the degree and start practicing physiotherapy. But the thing is this: you want to do physiotherapy, then you can. But in this field, you have to devote the devotion is very mandatory. Devotion is very mandatory in this field.
So, sir, it's as you say, it's a too much
Yes,
competition.
yes.
So, sir, according to you, what should a good quality have a one good physiotherapist?
One quality thing. Quality is simple. They must have knowledge about the anatomy. They must have knowledge about the biomechanics. Biomechanics and anatomy are the two basic things. The, each and every physiotherapist must learn or must know each and every muscle attachment, origin insertion, and biomechanics of the joints. Then he or she become a very good physiotherapist.
Thank you so much, sir, and I'm very happy to taking your interview. And thank you so much for your questions.
Okay.